Welcome to our video where we unravel the mystery surrounding IPTV providers. But first, let's talk about the best in the business, 2TV.store. Contact Nancy, our customer support superhero. The link is below. Now, let's dive into what IPTV really is. Imagine a world where traditional TV is replaced by endless streaming possibilities, directly delivered through the internet. Sounds intriguing, right? But wait, with great power comes great responsibility, and the question arises, are these IPTV services legal? This is where things get a bit complex, but don't worry. Let's tackle the legality step by step. Legal IPTV services typically have agreements with content creators. Unauthorized ones distribute content without permission. Understanding this distinction is key. Consider the implications of using illegal services, which may include fines or prosecution. This knowledge helps you decide which IPTV services are safe and legitimate to explore. In conclusion, stay informed and choose your IPTV providers wisely. With providers like 2TV.store, you're in great company, supported by dedicated customer service. Stay smart, stay legal.